Hey, it's currently Saturday evening. Sun's right in my eyes here. It's Saturday evening. I am leaving on Wednesday for the Cannonball on Sunday. So it's 8 days from Cannonball, 3.5 days till I actually leave. And I just finished organizing tools. So let's take a look at those. Okay, in this box we have 8 tubes. I hope I don't have to use any of them. We've got a funnel. We have 4 quarts of 10W50 Redline. Sponsor me, please. I would love it. 2 jars of grease for greasing things. Then we come over to this box. We have the impact wrench sockets. We have random nuts and bolts from nutsandbolts.com, an air filter, tire lube. This is baby powder for the tires, Gorilla tape. There's gaffer tape down there. Then we have shifter and brake levers. This is the 38 tooth rear sprocket on a hub that I took off. There's a new fresh battery down there. This is just a siphon pump in case of emergencies. I think I mentioned the fuel pump already. That is a jack for the motorcycle so I can lift up the front wheel. Haven't figured out what to do with that one yet. There's also a bunch of aluminum pans for oil changes and a grime brush. This is a bunch of odds and ends. We have 13 through 15 sprockets. This is stuff for if I lose it when I'm doing tire changes. Valve cores, hub dampeners, rim strips. This is for the front sprocket. Liquid electrical tape and thread locker, some electrical stuff that I need for. These are the plastic rivets that have a tendency to break front and rear brake pads. Spark plugs, stuff to do oil changes. And here we have electrical, so we have various electrical things, electrical tape, 18 gauge wire, fuses, stripper, cutters, other cutters, crimpers. In here we have tire spoons, bead buddy, Baja no pinch, some tire soap, and some organizers. Oh, there's some other, there's a bunch of spoons in there. And then down here we have a spare chain tool kit, the tool to measure your chain, digital calipers, a bunch of nuts and bolts and spare master links, feeler gauges and stuff to adjust the valve. That's it for that box. Oh, close, will you? All right, this is a torque wrench, dead blow hammer because I need that, 1/4 inch sockets, channel locks. Also that tool roll, we'll get to in a minute, goes in here. And then we have the impact wrench, another magnet thing, some batteries, tap and die set, which I really hope I don't need to use. Then we have the tool roll, which is basically, tools, wrenches, sockets, Allen wrenches, pliers, stuff like that. Shop towels and lube and chain cleaner. Then we have the manual, common service manual, the trail specific manual, and the owner's manual. And then 4 brand new Michelin City Extras, 2 mounted, pre-mounted on wheels, 2 unmounted. So I think that is everything. So what am I forgetting? I don't know, it's too late. I'm leaving in 3.5 days, so there's no way I can order more stuff. I do have 2 extra spare gas cans, which were not pictured. This also doesn't count for the 2 Cardo pack talks that I'm bringing because the batteries don't last all day. A bunch of other stuff that's going to go either in my Aerostitch or my backpack or my other backpack. And the van, just did an oil change on that. So that's ready to go. So now I just got to start packing. So 3.5 days. Let's hope I don't need any of this stuff. See you on the road.